Wife's 2002 John Cooper Works Mini Cooper. Noticing when I was checking a different problem out that the engine moved upon acceleration. It has brand new upper motor mounts, and it did when we got it, and I checked out the lower and it moved. Went ahead and ordered this new engine mount. You can see the part number right there. It's from Uru. You can see there's still some movement in this bushing. I know that there's like solid mounts or like improved racing mounts, but this part wasn't very expensive and it's supposedly easy to change, which we will find out in a few minutes, hopefully. And I don't want them to really ride terrible or be rough, so I don't want a super solid mount. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this and see how it goes. I mean, look at this. I have my ratchet on another bolt on the engine. Look at how much I'm gonna get that to move. That is just amazing. I think the bolt is backed out a little bit, so make sure to torque these down, but you can see the rubber is definitely went as well. It actually takes a 5/8 socket on both ends, or 16 millimeter. Seems to fit a little tighter. And look at this, it's completely loose. Hand loosened that. I haven't even messed with that yet. Yeah, a little alarming. Remove that. Removing it, my memory card on my camera completely stopped recording. I think it filled up, but you can see this completely failed right here. The rubber split right there. Easy to replace, wasn't too expensive. So when removing the old one, you kind of want to kick this over to the side and get a pry bar up in here and just wrench it down, because the rubber will give a little bit, and you can pull with your hand on the motor back here to slide it forward, or then also get a pry bar back here if you're having trouble. And I hope that helps. You want to then torque these bolts down to 70 foot-pounds, which I'm going to go ahead and do right now. And happy motoring. Definitely check this out on your Mini. You don't want this completely failing or your engine falling out. Hope this video helps you with your Mini Cooper.